Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an absolutely fantastic day. I'm very excited because in this video today I'm finally going to be announcing the winners of my big 65k giveaway. This giveaway has been going on for the past month and I'm so very excited to finally announce the winners. Now it might be slightly confusing because the chalkboard says groom, but this is not a get ready with me. I literally just got done filming a get ready with me, like putting this stuff right here on my face. I was pretty excited about it. I tried some new things. I tried the Anastasia Soft Glam eyeshadow palette. I tried this palette here by Velvet 59. I tried this like OFRA setting spray. I was really excited to try a couple new things and like catch up with you guys. But then as I was filming it, I was realizing very quickly that I had nothing to talk about because for the past month I've been doing nothing but writing a paper, sitting in my little desk over there, and eating like a garbage disposal. Nothing else has occurred in my life in the past month, so I really didn't want to like put you guys through that and have you watch that entire thing just to hear me announce at the end of the video who the winners were. So instead, I'm just making a separate little video, this one right here, and letting you guys know who the winners are of the big 65k giveaway. All three of the winners were picked completely at random. The little widget or whatever it's called. Is that what it's called? Widget? That sounds like a strange word. It goes in and selects the winner like completely at random, and I think that's the most fair way to go about this. They will have 1 week to get back to me, and then as soon as I hear from them, I will get all their stuff in the mail and sent off to them. However, if they do get back to me and say for some reason they might not want the prize, or if I do not hear from them within 1 week's time, I will be selecting another winner and then I'll announce that on the channel. But as of right now, the 3 winners for this giveaway are as follows. Alrighty, so the winner of the 3rd place prize is Shannon Abbott. Congratulations, Shannon. I hope you are excited. I'm definitely excited to get this prize out to you. I really hope you enjoy everything, and just thank you so much for entering and being a subscriber and supporting the channel. Moving on, the winner of the 2nd place prize is Sedona. Congratulations, Natalie. I really hope I'm saying your last name correctly. If I'm not, I'm so very sorry, but I'm super duper excited that you're the 2nd place winner of this prize. I really hope you enjoy it. I'll be in touch with you soon. Alrighty, finally we are moving on to our last winner of the day. This will be the grand prize winner. So the winner of the 1st place prize is Megan Fisher. Congratulations, Megan. I hope you are as excited as I am to send this out to you. I hope you really enjoy everything in your 1st place prize package. And yet again, just thank you to Megan, Shannon, Natalie, and every single person who has entered into this giveaway and subscribed to the channel and supported the channel. It just means the absolute world to me. We will definitely be having more giveaways occurring in the future. Some larger ones. We'll go back to the monthly giveaways here in a little bit, but I'm just completely overwhelmed by the amount of response for this giveaway and the amount of new people that have come to the channel. Thank you so very much for supporting the channel. I hope you guys stick around. We would absolutely love to have you here in our little family. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this edited really fast and get it up so you guys can know who the winners are, because I know you're definitely curious. And I'm gonna go ahead and get in touch with all of our winners, so I'm looking forward to talking to you guys in just a little bit. Alrighty guys, so that is everything I have for you all today. Thank you so very much for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe if you would not mind. It would mean the absolute world to me. More videos will be coming soon, I promise. I'm going to find the time to get to all these subscription boxes and things over here that I have yet to review that are stacked up, ready to go. Eventually, I promise you, I will get to those. But for now, I hope you guys have an absolutely fantastic day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!